Have you ever wondered how something that smells like a cursed sock could be one of the most powerful superfoods on Earth? Yep, garlic. It's not just the stuff of vampire legends and Italian grandmothers. Garlic is low-key one of nature's most magical ingredients, and today, we're peeling back the layers. Literally. Hey, and welcome to It's All About Your Wellness, garlic's ancient street cred. Garlic has been around for over 5,000 years. Ancient Egyptians used it to boost strength and stamina. They even fed it to pyramid builders. Because when you're hauling limestone in the desert, you need something to keep you going, and coffee hadn't been invented yet. Garlic as nature's medicine. Here's where it gets wild. Garlic isn't just food. It's basically medicine in a bulb. Garlic contains allicin, a sulfur compound that's released when you crush or chop it. Allicin is what gives garlic its signature smell and its superpowers. We're talking antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal, anti-inflammatory. Basically, it's the Avengers, but it grows in your garden. Heart health hero. Garlic is also amazing for your heart. Studies show it can help lower blood pressure and cholesterol. It helps your blood vessels relax, kind of like a spa day for your circulatory system. Kitchen sorcery. But beyond the health stuff, garlic is culinary magic. Raw, it's punchy and intense. Roasted, it turns mellow, sweet, and spreadable. Like garlic butter's smooth-talking cousin. Garlic can transform a boring dish into something mouth-watering. Stir it into pasta, roast it with veggies, rub it on toast, or, if you're brave, eat it raw. Just don't do it before a date or a job interview. The magical takeaway. So whether you're fighting off colds, cooking a killer marinara, or warding off the occasional vampire, garlic's got your back. It's ancient, it's powerful, and yeah, it might make your breath questionable, but garlic is proof that sometimes the smelliest things are the most magical. Long live the stinkin' rose. Thank you for watching. Feel free to subscribe to our channel so you can learn more about how to live a healthy and fulfilling life. Remember, your greatest wealth is your health.